So, hello, my name is DHRUV JAIN. So, I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh, Jhansi district. So, I joined Jspider in 2023 December. So, I want to say that I am extremely grateful to all the trainers of Jspider, especially Pawan sir, because their coding skills are excellent and they have trained us in a very well mannered way. And for web development, especially Reshma ma'am, and again for core Java for Vivek sir, and as well as I want to thanks all the placement team of Jspider, especially Sandhya ma'am and Sheikh Reshma ma'am, because their constant efforts and their updates helped me a lot to get information about the company and cracking their placement exams. And at the last, I want to say that Jspiders is not an institute; it is a temple of software development training.